In this example, we've got a whole lot of descriptions, job descriptions, and the employee number. And we want to work out how many have the word general labor in here. So somewhere in here there's the word general labor. How many have the word skilled, semi-skilled, skilled supervisor, general labor supervisor. The problem is that it could be like this, so it's very specific, or there could be other information around it. So for example, there if we're looking for skilled, this is a skilled diesel mechanic. It's considered skilled though. So we want to look up these designations, but acknowledge that there might be text before or after it. So first we want to work out how many matches are there for that, how many non-matches for that, so it's the opposite of that. And then we want to look at any overlaps. So for example, when you look for skilled, it'll probably also find anyone with a semi-skilled and skilled supervisor. So we want to figure out a way that when we look for skilled, it ignores the semi-skilled and the skilled supervisor.